Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
Tank Man Show,
we are going to try Pepperidge Farm Goldfish. Well, not quite goldfish. These are goldfish.
They are goldfish.
Grams, yes, vanilla cupcake flavored. Okay, so this is one of those quarantine snacks. You're out and about and scavenging for food and say, you know what, we're in this together. Let's get us something different. So this is our something different. 140 calories for 35 little pieces. I'm gonna give it a try. While he's opening that up, if you want to give this channel a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Not only do we do tasty finds, we also do some do-it-yourself. There are some essential oil series going on right now. So anyway, give my channel a chance. So it looks like we're in. Show them inside the bag. What's going on in the bag? Just a bunch of little pale cookies. Okay. Look at my eyelash there.
They don't really look like much of anything. There's nothing on them. What are these again?
This is called vanilla cupcake. So I'm assuming they're supposed to have a taste of a vanilla cupcake. Alright? Yeah, it just looked like a regular goldfish cracker. Alright. I tasted one and I know exactly what I think about this. Wait a minute. Aftertaste. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 4, with 4 meaning I will get this again for my personal consumption, and a 1 means I'll give it a hard pass. I love this crunchy vanilla little cookie. Definitely, this will be a 4 for me. I love it. It just, actually these taste like little vanilla wafers. What do you think, Tank?
It tastes like vanilla wafers. They're really good. I'd give them a 2.
Why 2?
Why a 2? Well, okay. They're done, right? But the s'mores that we tasted, I like those better because there's more of a variety. I was expecting these to look different because on the packaging it shows like red stuff on them, like sprinkles and stuff.
Oh yeah, it
So I was expecting
does.
that to be like this, right? But it doesn't really look like much.
You see there's like little speckles on there. Oh yeah, that's true.
So the taste is good, but the looks aren't.
So you give it a 2. All right, well I just love vanilla cookies, so that's it for me. All right, so if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and any last words?
Yes.